Hey guys, Shipbox Squad. There's the truck. Shipbox. Oh, yeah, the surprise today. What I bought. I ended up getting it. So, I secured it. It's literally right behind me. Nah, I'm just kidding. I bought that. A Dodge Neon. Yeah, I had to buy a little car. It's like, if you guys. Yeah, I mean, it's a pretty badass truck. Don't get me wrong, yeah. It needs new fenders in the front. But it's pretty rust free. And I got it for a steal, so. And then I ended up getting it. So, welcome, Dumper 3.0. So, yeah, 2000 Chevy Suburban 5.3. Runs nice. Clean interior. I mean, pretty mint. Fires right up. No hesitation. Runs perfect. Barn doors ain't gone. But yeah, it's a mint old truck. Suburban. So hopefully it'll be on the channel. We got 36-inch Mickey Thompson with American Racing rims. But yeah, I don't like the mirrors though. Whoever put the mirrors on it. It used to be an it used to be a base vehicle, so it because there's glass on the inside on this side, because this back window they blew it out, shattered it, and then they got replaced, and I'm like, oh nice. So I picked this thing up, so whatever. Not gonna tell you guys how much. So I mean, needs some work. Should shut the hood so I don't look all jank. But whole front end's been replaced. Upper ball joints, tie rods, inner outer tie rods, and everything. Almost 2-hour round trip, dude, getting it. My buddy was romping it. It's fast. He passed me in that thing, so I'm like, all right, it's pretty meaty. So